So here are 10 promotion ideas for Q4 for dropshippers. Starting with number 1, which is target Black Friday and Cyber Monday related keywords for SEO. Now SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it basically means the likelihood of you appearing up on search pages. Now you can increase this with keywords. Before Black Friday and Cyber Monday, you can update your title, your tags, your listing descriptions of your best-selling items to include related long-tail keywords such as Black Friday sale, perfect gift, Cyber Monday, and then BFCM sale, which stands for Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. This gives you the opportunity to target shoppers who are looking specifically for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas deals and can show up on Etsy search. Sorry guys, we've got a bit of a guest here. This is Bilbo. He also wants to get involved. So yeah, targeting a new audience, such as those specifically looking for sales, opens up the floor for you, expands your target market, and hopefully increases your traffic and increases your sales. So that's the first one. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Ty, this is Bilbo, and we talk about e-commerce, dropshipping, investing, all that good stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, then do subscribe to the channel because I post every single week without fail. So the second promotion idea that you can do is run the biggest sale of the year. Now, Black Friday Cyber Monday sale is the biggest single sales event of the year, and many shoppers are looking to capitalize on that and to take advantage of the sales in time for Christmas. To build up excitement for the event, you can offer larger discounts than you would usually offer during the rest of the year, which can create a sense of urgency for shoppers to take advantage of the sales before it's too late. For example, if you usually offer a 20% discount, it's a good idea to offer a higher percentage such as 30 to 50%. It's the really top of the range 70% discounts that really gain the attention, but just make sure that you can afford that. Check your profit margins, do your calculations, and check that it is something that's in the cards. The third thing you can do is to launch an exciting new product during Black Friday. Now, creating new products to launch during the Black Friday sales event is a good way to create extra buzz and extra excitement for your business and your products. Once you create new product listings, that gives you new chances to create new sale announcements for those products. You can have your new product announcement go out on your social media, then you can follow up with a sales announcement as well. Make sure to let your subscribers and followers know in advance about your product launch. So it's a good way to emphasize if they buy the item during Black Friday Cyber Monday sale that they can save money. Now you want to build up hype through your email marketing channels and through your social media platforms. The next thing you can do is run a tiered discount. Now what a tiered discount is it's basically a way for the shop to offer a high discount for customers who spend more money. So it's an incentive for customers to buy more and basically save more in the process. A tiered discount can either be based on minimum spending amount or minimum number of items. For example, what one might look like is that 10% on orders less than $50, 20% off orders less between $50 and $100, and 30 to 50% off for orders over $100. Now this is something to increase your average order value. Now I do mention this in another video of mine, a recent one, where increasing your average order value is a lot easier and less cost to you than it is to increase sales, because basically you don't have to spend marketing on increasing your average order value. It's all things that you can do within your store and increasing your conversion rate. The idea of this is to basically make customers buy an extra item that they would otherwise not buy. This way they take advantage of the higher discount. This strategy can increase the average spending of customers, so your average order value, which is the aim, and in most cases, the more items sold means higher revenue and profit for you in your business. The next thing you can do is to create special product bundles. Now, creating special Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas bundles is a great way to increase order size and again, average order value. You see the trend here. This is what we're trying to focus on, increasing the average order value. Creating product bundles is a good way to sell your less popular items. Now, if you're not drop shipping and you're holding inventory and you're holding stock, now this is a perfect way to get rid of those less popular items that you perhaps are holding more stock. Usually, bundles are offered at a discounted price compared to buying the items separately. Two of the most common ways to bundle your items together are bundle products with some less popular ones that we've just discussed, or bundle products with complement items, so items that go together. So for example, Polaroid do this really well with their camera. They partner it up or they bundle it up with the little Instamax refills, and therefore enables the customer to keep using that camera without buying more refills individually. Now, you don't want to be bundling up substitutions. Like, you don't see Polaroid bundling up their camera with another camera because it doesn't make sense. You want to be bundling it up with items that complement the product. Now, the next one, I've completely lost count, but the next one is to announce your sales on social media. Social media is a ever-growing platform. It's your most powerful marketing tool. Posting on social media platforms to announce your sale can create extra traction, extra excitement for your campaign. Now, don't forget to use the relevant hashtags like Black Friday sale, Cyber Monday sale, buying for Christmas, perfect gifts, things like that, to reach more people than you usually would. Like, you don't have to focus and target on just your niche. You can target engaged shoppers in general. Now, try to focus on the platforms that you've had the most success on. This isn't a time to be experimenting. That time is during the summer in preparation for Black Friday. Like, these are the critical 3 months. You want to be operating on platforms that you know that work. You don't want to be spending time experimenting. You want to be spending time doubling down on things that you know that work. So if you've found success on TikTok ads, double down and go hard on that. Don't go experimenting with Snapchat ads or Twitter influencers or anything like that. One of the best ways to create excitement for your sale is to create eye-catching posts. Now, creating them from scratch can be a little bit difficult. That's why I use Canva. Now, Canva is a perfect creation tool. It's something that I use for my own marketing ads that I've done in the past. I use it for my thumbnails as well, and you can find the link straight below. It's nice and easy to get set up. There's templates that you can take, change and brand to your color scheme of your business, add in your product photo, and it's very easy. You can make a good, simple promotion post within about 10-15 minutes. I'll put some examples here of the templates. Now, just changing the brand color and adding your own brand image into that, it's not too difficult at all. Now, if that still sounds too difficult, then you can always go on Upwork or Fiverr to pay someone to make those posts, or you can go on Etsy and you can pay someone for Canva templates that they've created that you can use and adjust to your brand. So the next one is a little bit different. This one is to send products to micro influencers before Black Friday, before the events. So when people think of influencers, they only think of the big names. They think about those with millions of subscribers and followers. Now, it would be amazing to get featured on their feed, but getting them to notice your product is going to be difficult, and paying them is going to be hella expensive. And as entrepreneurs and small business owners, then that's not always possible. A better way to get exposure, especially for Etsy sellers and people who are new to the dropshipping and e-commerce space, is to approach micro influencers. Micro influencers are defined by accounts with anywhere between 1,000 and 50,000 followers. Although they may not be as big, their followers and their audience are usually engaging and more likely to trust that page. One good way to get featured on their feed, on their page, is to send them a free product, reach out to them, talk to them, and see if it's something they're interested in. For Black Friday promotion, do that early on because of shipping. Obviously, if you're still using AliExpress or if you're using an agent and shipping is 3 to 4 weeks, you want to make sure that the influencer's got plenty of time to create content for you if that's what you're asking of them, and to post it on their feed just in time for Black Friday. So just bear that in mind as well. Be sure to communicate with the influencer beforehand and come to a mutually agreeable term. So make sure that you know what's in exchange. Are they getting a free product? Are you giving them an extra product for an extra post? How long are they keeping the post on their channel? Is it a story? Is it a post? Is it a reel or something like that? Just make sure that you agree terms before you send off the product, just so you can manage expectations. The next one is to create Black Friday branding graphics. Now, creating Black Friday specific Etsy shop branding and Shopify branding can help you visually communicate with shoppers that your shop is running a big sale. Now, when you go on a website, you have what we call a hero banner or a hero image. It's the main photo that draws your attention on a website. You can change this to be specifically branded to Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Christmas. This lets your customers know that you are running a big sale. Not only that, but a well put together Etsy shop or Shopify store will give a professional first impression to shoppers. Some of the graphic assets you can create are like shop banners, shop icons that you can change specifically for Black Friday or Christmas. You can also customize your listing graphics, your product listing photo. If it's usually just a plain picture of the item with a white background, maybe wrap it in like a gift wrapper or put it on a bow, put it under the tree, something like that, but more on that in a second. So the next one is to have Christmas and Black Friday specific product photos. Like I just touched on there, updating your listing pictures to match the holiday or event For example, if your product would make a good gift for someone, add a bow to that product. Take a picture of it underneath a tree, take a picture of somebody receiving that item looking joyful and happy that they've received it. This is enforcing the idea that the product will make a good gift for somebody. The idea is to reinforce that mindset of when a customer looks at that product, that this would make a good gift for my father, for my mum, for my brother, for my sister, whatever the case is, reinforcing that idea, and you can do that through your product photos. The last thing we're going to mention is to donate to a charity that aligns with your brand position. Now, donating to a charity that you and your audience believe in can be good for Black Friday promotion. Doing so can improve your brand image, your customer loyalty, and the whole values of your company. It improves that customer business relationship as well. You can donate a percentage of your revenues during Black Friday or Cyber Monday period. So you can, let's say 5 or 10% of the earnings. You can even post a receipt of your donation on your social media afterwards, or on your Etsy shop update, or on your blog, on your Shopify, just to, again, increase that brand trust. But yeah, that's entirely up to you. So there you have it, 10 ways to promote your business, your dropshipping store, your Etsy store, whatever it is you're selling. It could be your lemonade stand, but there's 10 ways that you can promote it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and yeah, comment down below if you've got any questions. Thanks ever so much for watching. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.